Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. This arrived a few weeks ago, and to be honest, it's the first moment I've had some time to really sit down and take a good look at it. So here's a first look and unboxing of the brand new Edwin Jagger 3ONE6 stainless steel safety razor. And the reason it's called 316 is that the grade of stainless steel, 316 grade stainless steel, was originally forged in Sheffield, England, according to the package here. That's what it says. So it comes in this sweet little box with a sleeve that opens up, and there's nothing in there. Oh my God. I already opened it up. So you could take... I've already opened it up so you could just have a quick look at it. Here's what the razor looks like. Beautiful stainless steel. The rep actually called me on the phone and asked me which one I would want. Sent me the brochure over. And it comes in different colors. The colors, if you get any of the colored handles, those are just anodized handles. This is the knurled version, which is the one I chose, which has a checkered knurling finish throughout the handle. And this is full stainless steel. They've told me that the whole razor is stainless steel. So, here's a good quick look at it. And then we'll get into the actual unboxing. Here's a first look at the new Edwin Jagger 316 stainless steel safety razor from Sheffield, England. The range takes its name from the 316 grade of stainless steel, a grade originally forged in Sheffield, England. With a superior resistance to corrosion and pitting, grade 316 is the ideal choice for shaving implements. It is guaranteed to satisfy the desires of wet shaving enthusiasts worldwide. Let's open it up and have a look. It's a nice fitted sleeve with a plastic cover for protection. 3 pieces and a 5-pack of feather double-edged razor blades. Let's remove these parts. Here we have the top cap. It's got the post in the middle. It's got 2 pins, and then there's actual keyways on both sides of the pins so that it fits properly and securely into this safety bar. The safety bar has grooves right here on both sides where it contacts the skin. You can see that the keyways are hollowed out on this safety bar to accept the protruding keyways on the top cap. Let's see how it fits together. Very securely, no play whatsoever. Really a tight fit. Very close tolerances on this. Let's check out the handle. The handle is full stainless steel, and it has Edwin Jagger inscribed on the upper collar right here. And on the lower collar it has Sheffield, England, laser inscribed. And then the handle is a checkerboard knurling type finish, which is very easy to grip. Let's assemble it. Just screw the handle right onto the threads. Tightens down very securely. Here's a look at it. This razor weighs in at 2.6 ounces or 74 grams. And the overall length from top to bottom is 4 inches, just a tad under 4 inches or 97 millimeters. Feels very good in the hand. It seems that this would be even easy to grip with soapy fingers or shaving cream on your fingers. It's a very beautiful looking razor. And let's see where the balance is. Right up here, right towards the top where you would grip it with your thumb and forefinger. You could put your pinky underneath on the bottom here for a little extra support, or just leave it off to the side like that. Whatever you feel more comfortable with. Comes with a pack of world-renowned, very sharp feather, high stainless double-edged razor blades. Here's a look at the back of the package. All in all, a very attractive looking razor. Nice fit and finish. manufactured in the UK. Very comfortable in the hand, and we will see how it shaves. Let's disassemble it. The handle, safety bar. Here's a look at the other side of the safety bar. It does have the Edwin Jagger little crest right here on both sides of it. That may be for counterfeiting purposes, I would guess, to make it more difficult to counterfeit this razor. And it is very, very good quality, a really nice finish. There's no pitting, there's no scratches or stray marks whatsoever. Let's reassemble it. Again, very tight fitting, close tolerances. You can see where the pins protrude right there. And lock down. It really locks down securely. Very nice. And this can go either way. The safety bar and the top cap, they can be mounted either way. Of course, you don't want to go this way. You know that's wrong. You won't be able to get a shave or a blade in there properly like that. So you want to make sure it's this way. And you'll be able to see the ridges, these lines on the bar where it contacts the skin. Here's a final look at it. A very nice looking razor. Excellent fit and finish. Edwin Jagger logo up on the top collar. Sheffield, England on the bottom collar. A quality razor through and through. One more quick thing about this razor. In my list of questions that I sent to the Edwin Jagger sales representative, the final question at the bottom of the list was, what is the warranty on this razor? And the response I got back was, Edwin Jagger isn't anticipating failure of this razor. Exactly, word for word. That's what I got back. So it's bulletproof. Hopefully it will last over 100 years. You can go to shavenation.com and pick these up as soon as they're in stock. We will have them as soon as they're released. You can get one there. Just enter 316 in the search box. It will pop up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.